Hello guys, what's up, what's up? This is Manding Celia. Today we will watch a road show, car show. So I will take you around and have a tour, a little bit, short tour about the cars, and we will see. So let's get ready. So here we come. Let's go outside. Here we come. Okay, let's view this one. Where do we start? Okay, let's just move around from there. Okay, let's do it here. First, let's check some old cars over here. Too many people. I'll just give you a view around here.
Yeah, that's what Tracy had.
Okay, see that? So here we can see some vintage car. So just like this. This one. See that one? Look at this car. Too many here. It's so cute. Very cute. It's up to the ground. And you want this? Okay. We have more over there. Okay. So this is an annual event here in Saskatoon. Too many cars are displayed over here, but I will not show you everything because they are cars. Okay, let's go to this side and move around. Okay, you see that one? Let's have this small cars. Well, look at this. Their hoods are opened. It can be opened. Look at this. Look at that. And there's another here. See? And the yellow. And the white. You choose what you like. Oh, it's nice. You can open the hood. See? Okay, this must be very expensive. This is from Alberta. Who are participating in this are not only from Saskatoon, yellow and okay. They are even some of them comes from US. Okay, there. And this one, blue one. And this is so nice and cute. Okay, and the blue one. This is actually Stingray. Okay, let's move to this side. I don't want to stay here for a long time. And there will be rock music later here with this Rock 102 FM. And here, moving forward. Okay, let's check this side. Look at this. Cute tiny one. See? It's so cute. Look at that car. This is and another orange one. Okay. It's an old car but still going on. Chevrolet 1967 Chevrolet. This, look at the style, but it is well maintained. GM. There's a cute one. Look at that. Like old Lincoln wings again. So shiny. Okay. So nice. Oh, this is another one. Okay. So you have seen a lot. Let's go that side. Okay.
Can't be too bad. He hasn't got a ticket or something.
So there's more. What is that? Torino, Grand Torino. And this is Pontiac. Oh, look at the Pontiac. Trans AM. Pontiac 1976. But it's cute. My car is made from Pontiac. And this is Electra brick. Okay. And there you go. A lot. We cannot finish if we... Oh, you see, these are expensive ones. Shiny and expensive. Well maintained actually. See? So clean. Oh, this is like very classy and old. And there, woohoo, red, all red, mostly all red. What is this? This one. It's cute. And another one. He is shining red, bright red. See? Maroon and white and ram. Look at this. Huh? Oh, there's a boat behind. Blue one.
Oh, we're gonna keep these guys rolling. Yeah.
Everybody's enjoying the car show. Oh, this is unique. Look. Okay, the passenger is tired. Okay. Fiero. Okay. And this is another one, looks like on the ground. It touches the ground. What? That's it. Okay. So this is the road. There is still on. Oh, this is 3rd Avenue, and there's still over there on 2nd Avenue, but I will not go there. Too many people. Those car lovers like to always come here and watch this during road show. So that's it, guys. It's Sunday morning here, August 21. Okay. From here in Saskatoon, Manding Celia would like to say bye-bye. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.